In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete duplicate transactions fast in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged in, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and click it. From the menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. Next, find the specific account that contains the duplicate transaction. Browse through the list of accounts until you locate the account you need. Once you've found the account, look to the far right side of its row and click View Register. This will open the transaction history for that account. With the register open, carefully review the transactions listed. To make it easier to identify duplicates, you can sort the transactions by date or amount. When you find a transaction that appears to be a duplicate, click directly on it. This will open the transaction details. Review the transaction carefully and confirm that it is actually a duplicate before deleting it. Check the details to make sure you're selecting the correct transaction. Once you've verified the duplicate, look for the Delete option and click it. QuickBooks will typically display a confirmation message asking you to confirm that you want to delete the transaction. Review the confirmation message, then click Yes or OK to confirm the deletion. The duplicate transaction will then be removed from your QuickBooks Online records. If there are additional duplicate transactions in the same account, continue reviewing the register and repeat the process for each one you find. This completes the process of removing duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.